make these pretty little apple rose puffs, you'll need 2 apples, a lemon, brown sugar, cinnamon, cream cheese, and puff pastry. The first step is to line a 6-well muffin tin with paper liners or generously grease each well with nonstick cooking spray. Next, you want to combine 1 cup of water with the juice of the lemon. This mixture will help keep the apples from turning brown. Cut each apple in half and then into quarters and remove the core, and then thinly slice the apple into paper thin or slightly thicker slices. Microwave the apples in the lemon water for 1 to 2 minutes or just until the apples are pliable. You don't really want to cook them, but you want to be able to bend them. Next, combine the brown sugar and the ground cinnamon. Working with your sheet of puff pastry, lay it out on a lightly floured surface and cut it into 6 strips. Spread each strip with a little bit of the cream cheese and then sprinkle the brown sugar cinnamon mixture over the cream cheese. After thoroughly draining the apples, arrange them in slightly overlapping rows with a curved edge of the apple overhanging the pastry so you have a bare edge lined up with the straight edge of the apples. Fold that bare edge of pastry over the straight edge of the apples and then roll the pastry tightly up into a spiral and press the end to kind of seal. And you can do 1 or 2 layers of apples on the pastry. I prefer the look of 2 layers. Just makes it, gives it a fuller rose, more petals, more apple flavor. You could use any color apple you like, but red and pink skinned apples will make the prettiest roses with their pink and red hues. But if you like green roses, by all means, use Granny Smith apples if that's what you like. Next, place the spirals in the prepared muffin pan. Bake for 30 minutes or until the pastry is puffed and golden. And then enjoy. You'll want to remove the roses from the pans while they're still warm if you don't use the paper liners because they may stick. I hope you enjoyed this cooking video. For more recipes and videos, visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.